In this video, I will compare Capital One Platinum credit card versus Discover It. Firstly, let us talk about annual fees. The Capital One Platinum credit card typically does not have an annual fee. It is designed for individuals with average credit or those looking to build credit. Discover offers several credit card options, some with no annual fee such as Discover It, Cashback Discover It, and Student Cashback. Capital One Platinum usually does not offer rewards or cashback. Discover offers cashback rewards on many of its cards. For example, the Discover It Cashback offers 5% cashback on rotating categories, up to a quarterly maximum, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. The Discover It Student Cashback offers similar rewards tailored for students as a basic credit building card. The Capital One Platinum may not offer introductory API or cashback bonuses. Discover often provides introductory offers, such as a 0% introductory APR for purchases and balance transfers for a certain period, as well as a cashback match for new card members in their first year. The Capital One Platinum credit card is primarily designed to help individuals build or rebuild credit. It may offer tools like CreditWise from Capital One to monitor credit scores and credit building tips. Discover also offers credit building options, including secured credit cards for individuals with limited or poor credit history. These cards require a security deposit but can help improve credit over time. Both Capital One and Discovery may offer additional benefits such as fraud protection, account monitoring, and access to customer service. Capital One cards are widely accepted, but it is essential to check if the card is accepted at the places you frequent. Discover cards are also widely accepted, but they may have slightly less global acceptance compared to Visa or MasterCard. Capital One may offer credit limit increases over time based on your payment history and creditworthiness. Discover also evaluates your account for credit limit increases, and responsible credit behavior may lead to higher credit limits. While Capital One Platinum may not have foreign transaction fees, it is essential to confirm this as it is designed for building credit. Discover typically does not charge foreign transaction fees on their cards, making them suitable for international travel or online purchases from foreign merchants. Both Capital One and Discover are known for their customer service and user-friendly online tools and mobile apps. Consider the ease of managing your account, accessing statements, and contacting customer support when comparing the two. Discover offers flexible redemption options for cashback rewards, including statement credits, direct deposits to a bank account, charitable donations, or using rewards to shop on Amazon.com. Since Capital One Platinum typically does not offer rewards, there are no redemption options to consider. Discover provides complimentary access to your FICO credit score, allowing you to monitor changes over time. They also offer resources and educational materials to help cardholders understand credit and financial management. Capital One's CreditWise tool offers similar credit monitoring features, providing insights into factors affecting your credit score and personalized tips for improvement. In summary, the choice between the Capital One Platinum credit card and Discover credit card depends on your financial goals, credit history, spending habits, and preferences for rewards and benefits. If you are focused on building credit or prefer a simple card without rewards, the Capital One Platinum may be suitable. However, if you want cashback rewards, introductory offers, and additional perks, you may prefer one of Discover's settings.